So semi-final 2 start कर रहे हैं. From the last round, Ashwin and Preetham are the two finalists. We'll have two more from this round, and finals will be right after we finish this one. ठीक है. Starting with Akshay. Akshay, before the T20 World Cup in 2007, 2 out of the 12 teams in the World Cup had played only one T20 international match. One was Zimbabwe. Which was the other?
India.
India is the right answer. So India had played just one match against South Africa before the World
सचिन
Cup.
10 रन मारा था.
हाँ, उसका last match था.
उसका only T20 match है.
Next direct is Anirudh. Who is the only cricketer to captain the team for 100 tests?
Cricketer to captain. Ponting?
Not Ponting. Going to Pawan.
Steve Waugh?
Not Steve Waugh. Going to Seshan.
Go for a wild guess. Is it Clark?
Not Michael Clark. Going to Akshay.
Clive Lloyd?
Not Clive Lloyd. So we'll go back to Anirudh with a hint. So this player has also played in the IPL and is retired now.
Yeah, hint. Wow.
Okay.
Graeme Smith?
Yeah, Graeme Smith is the answer that I was looking for. 5 points to Minty. Good answer. देखा hint से मिला ना.
Guys, एक minute. Continue.
Next direct is Pawan ka direct for 10 points. So this is the story of one of Indian legends. This legend was born in July in 1949 with a small hole near the top of his left earlobe. Next day, the baby's uncle noticed that the baby did not have the hole in his earlobe. On questioning, they found the baby sleeping next to a fisherwoman in the neighboring bed. The babies were switched. Which Indian legend is this incident about? You're on mute?
Thinking.
Yeah. अच्छा म्यूट पे सोच रहे.
I think I'll take my guess with the only cricketer I know from that era, Sunil Gavaskar.
Gavaskar is the answer that I was looking for. Good guess. Almost मच्छी वाले का बेटा हो जाता हो, क्रिकेट नहीं खेल सकता था वो. Next direct is Seshan. Seshan, in the record chase of 438, which South African batsman played the match-winning knock of 175 against Australia?
Herschel Gibbs.
Gibbs is the right answer. 10 points to Seshan. Scored 175 of, I think, 133 balls.
Yeah.
111 balls. Sorry. So Seshan gets 10. Next direct is Akshay's direct. Akshay, India won just one match in the 1975 World Cup. Against which team?
Against the winners, West Indies, I think.
No, not West Indies. Passing to Anirudh.
Pakistan?
Not Pakistan. Passing to Pawan.
I'll take a wild guess here. Us time ka. I think is it East Africa?
East Africa is the answer that I was looking for. Good answer, Pawan. 10 points.
They only played at that time, that side.
Yeah. उसके बाद divide हो गया था Kenya.
Yeah.
So Pawan gets 10. The sixth question is Anirudh's direct. So there is one KKR batsman who has scored a century in the IPL. Who is the batsman? There's only one KKR century.
Overall.
पूरे 2008 से लेके अभी तक KKR से सिर्फ एक ही सेंचुरी. Brendan McCullum is the right answer. He scored the first century of the IPL. Good answer, Minty. So next direct is Pawan Ka for 10 points. Pawan, this is an obituary in the Sporting Times which appeared in 1882, which led to the beginning of a tradition that continues even today. What is it about? You're on mute.
Sorry, the Ashes.
Ashes is the answer that I was looking for. So it read the affectionate remembrance of English cricket, which died at the Oval on 29th August 1882. Deeply lamented by a circle of sorrowing friends and acquaintances, RIP. The body will be cremated and the ashes taken to Australia. So, fun fact: the ashes are actually the bales of the stumps are burnt to create the ashes. So, Pawan gets 10 for that answer. Next direct is Seshan's direct. Seshan, what is common among these batsmen in ODIs in terms of the batting positions? Lance Klusener, Abdur Razak, Shoaib Malik, and Hashan Tilakaratne.
Okay. Not sure. Pass.
Okay, passes to Akshay.
They have played all positions from 1 to 7 or something like that.
Can you improve that answer?
They have played all positions from 1 to 10.
Yeah, that is the answer that I was looking for.
Thank you.
So they are the only players who have batted at all 10 positions in ODIs.
Yeah, thank you.
So 10 points to Akshay. 8 questions are up and एक बार scores बता देता हूँ. So Akshay is on 20, Anirudh is on 15, Pawan is 30, and Seshan is on 10. Next round we'll reverse the order. So Seshan, Pawan, Anirudh, and Akshay, that will be the order. So this is Seshan's direct. Seshan, so this is about a certain incident that happened. It was a pity that this innings was not recorded for television viewing. The match was reportedly not covered live by the official broadcasters of the tournament, who were on a strike that day, and hence no video footage of that game is available. There's going to be applause from all the Zimbabwean players, never mind all the Indian supporters. Bob Nixon commenting on air. What are we talking about?
1983 World Cup semi-final. India Zimbabwe.
Can you give me a more?
Kapil Dev's.
Yeah, Kapil Dev is the name that I was
yeah.
looking for.
Yeah.
So Kapil Dev's 175 against Zimbabwe at the 83 World Cup. He came in at 17 for 5 and won India the match. So 10 points to Seshan. The next direct is Pawan's direct. Pawan, which Indian bowler holds the record for the best figures on Test debut? He got 16 for 136 in the match. The record still holds.
The new players. Hirvani, Narendra Hirvani.
Narendra Hirvani is a very good answer. I wasn't looking for that, and 10 more points to Pawan. Going great. So Narendra Hirvani made his debut in 1989 and picked 16 for 136 in a test match. So next direct is Anirudh's direct. We all know Chris Gayle has the highest score in the IPL, but who has the highest score in a T20 international?
यार पुराना वाला क्वेश्चन अच्छा था, इंदौरी आदमी था, मैं जवाब दे देता.
नेपोटिज्म नहीं चाहिए हमको इधर.
अरे तो क्या कहीं तो इंदौर प्रमोट कर रहा हूँ ना. Chris Gayle had highest score in IPL, but who has highest T20 score? Guptill.
Not Martin Guptill. Passes to Akshay.
दिए यार बता दो.
Is it Watson?
Not Shane Watson. Passes to Seshan.
Is it Aaron Finch?
Finch is the answer that I was looking for. He got 172. 10 points to Seshan. The next direct is Akshay's direct. So Akshay, which former Pakistan captain scored 60 of 37 balls in a World Cup match against New Zealand at Auckland in the 1992 World Cup to win the match for his team? Akshay's direct for 10 points.
So when you say former captain, he was former captain back then when
I
he was
can't say
playing,
that. I can't say that.
because that is confusing the question.
He was a captain of Pakistan at some point.
At some point, so Wasim Akram maybe.
Not Wasim Akram. Passes to Seshan.
Oh shit. Oh, okay. हाँ, ठीक. आ गया. अरे
Is
यार.
it Inzamam?
Inzamam is the
Inzamam
answer
is
that
the
I was
answer.
looking
Shit.
for. Good answer.
वो तभी आसपास डेब्यू किया था वो.
Inzamam is the answer that I was looking for. Seshan picks 10 points. And the next direct is also to Seshan. Seshan, we are describing something here. This happened on 4th June 1993. The ball to the right-handed Gatting drifted drastically and pitched well outside leg stump before spinning sharply and beating the bat by a fair distance to clip the top of off stump. What is being described here?
Is it Shane Warne's delivery which spun the max?
There's a specific term for it. If you can give me that term, I'll give you part points for identifying the bowler.
The googly?
Not googly. Pawan?
It's called the ball of the century.
Ball of the century is what I was looking for.
YouTube में मिल जाएगा Shane Warne का.
Yeah.
It pitched on the footmarks and then went all the way to off stump.
So yeah, Seshan, I'll give you 5 for identifying the bowler and Pawan 5 for identifying the term. Ball of the century was the answer that I was looking for.
Okay.
So this is Pawan's direct. Next question. Pawan, name the only Indian bowler who has taken a wicket on his 0th ball on a T20 international match.
Must be,
You're on mute.
yeah. Just thinking, must be a stumping or something. Is it Ashwin?
Not Ravichandran Ashwin. Moving to Anirudh.
Kohli.
Virat Kohli is the answer that I was looking for. 10 points to Anirudh.
But was it a stumping?
Yeah. He bowled a wide and Dhoni stumped.
Oh shit.
Good answer, Anirudh. And the next direct is Anirudh's direct. Who is the only overseas player to feature in all IPL editions so far?
Gale.
Not Gill. Passing to Akshay.
Pollard.
Not Pollard. Passing to Seshan.
AB de Villiers.
AB de Villiers is the answer that I was looking for. Both
Gale नहीं है
Pollard
क्या?
and Gale have
अरे
missed
दिख
one
रहा
season.
डेविलियर्स वहाँ पे. डेविलियर्स दिख रहा वहाँ पे सामने.
Hey, Rohit, should I get half points? I have the answer behind me.
No, I
Exactly.
didn't ask the question. गेल और पोलार्ड एक सीजन में, गेल ने फर्स्ट सीजन कोलकाता वाला मिस
फर्स्ट
किया,
सीजन मिस किया. हाँ.
पोलार्ड ने बीच में एक मिस किया था. So 10 points to Seshan. Next direct is Akshay's direct. The last question of the quiz. Who captained India to their first under-19 World Cup glory?
Yes.
Mohammad Kaif is the answer that I was looking for.
मैं कल ही बोला था कि कुछ भी कैफ से आंसर हो पॉइंट्स मेरे को मिलेंगे.
तुमको कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है. एक तो गेल बोल दिया एबीडी के जगह पे.
यार हमको गेल ही पता था.
क्या गेल So we come to the end of the second round, second semi-finals, and I'll read out the scores. Akshay is on 30, Anirudh is on 25, Pavan gets 45, and Seshan got 55. So we have Pavan and Seshan qualifying to the next round. Good job, guys. Great game, great game. Oh, Hirwani wala answer. I didn't think anyone would guess without.
ए मेरे को पता था.
I
इस
knew
बार
because
ये
I'll tell you why. जब कुंबले ने 10 विकेट लिया था ना, तो I was surprised कि कौन इससे ज्यादा एक मैच में ले सकता है. तो then I googled it and तब से थोड़ा याद है. वो फर्स्ट वन नरेंद्र या नरेश वो थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन था, लेकिन हिरवानी पता था.
हाँ.
मैं सोचा ठीक है अपनी मोदी की नाम ले लूं, नरेंद्र ही बोल दूं. ठीक है. अगर हिरवानी बोलता तो देता क्या पूरा?
हाँ, हिरवानी बोलता तो दे देता. नरेश हिरवानी बोलता था तो मुश्किल था.
नहीं, हिरवानी ही बोलता. डाउट में होता था हिरवानी बोलता.
Nice. So yeah, Seshan, Pavan, you'll be playing with Ashwin and Preetham in the next round. Great game, guys. बहुत मजा आया.